Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. If you haven't already, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video, comment below what you think about the video. So today, guys, I'm working on a couple projects on my, well, one's on my C10, kind of continuing the project on the C10, and then I'm also working on a project with my my Mercedes with the wheel that I mentioned before in one of my other videos. It has a slow leak. Yeah. We got the C10 jacked up on jack stands. Benzo.
Safety first. Put them jack stands under there.
Excuse that rust on that that drum. I really need to do something with that. But yeah, like I was saying, I got the wheels off the rear. Yeah, that's an adapter because it's a six lug wheel. I'm gonna be doing a disc brake conversion on this truck in the rear, so eventually the drums will go away. It already has disc brakes in the front, but I'm gonna be doing a disc brake conversion in the rear. I'm actually gonna convert this to a 6-lug wheel pattern, bolt pattern on here. So next I'm gonna be taking this wheel here off because it has a slow leak also that needs to be addressed. So I'll be taking them to the wheel repair shop. And here are those tires that, those are the tires that I'll be swapping for the C10. These are 295/25s in the tires on the C10 right now. The rear tires are 275/25, 26s. So these tires here will be a little bit wider, so I'll give more traction and I won't have as much rim sticking out beyond the edge of the tire. So it'll be a little bit safer too. There's the BENZ. Got it all jacked up. Man, look at that rotor. It's all rusty. That's because I haven't been driving the car. It's been sitting here for probably some weeks. But that's what happens when it rains and you don't drive it for a while. The rotor gets a little rusty. But anyways, and then also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have these wheels touched up also, just for my sanity. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it kind of bothers me when one side is nice and neat and the other side, you know, is all nice, all jacked up. So here's that wheel I took off the Mercedes, and I just sprayed a little bit of wheel degreaser, and you can see right there, see that air seeping out of the wheel? That's my problem. That's where the slow leak is. If you look even closer, you can see that the wheel is actually split right there. There's a split right there in the rim. So that will have to be repaired. Hopefully, I think that is an aluminum barrel. So hopefully those guys will be able to weld that split. We'll see. If not, I'll basically have to replace this whole outer barrel, which wouldn't be too bad, but definitely not something I want to deal with if I don't have to. I noticed over here there's also a bend right here, right there. See how it's not perfectly circle around, so that'll need to be addressed too. I just sprayed some degreaser in there just to see if I would get any bubbles, but I don't see anything that just jumps out at me as being a leak, slow leak or otherwise. So I think we're okay. So I'll take that wheel to the repair shop tomorrow, and then I'll also take the other wheel to the repair shop off my C10. All right, so we got the wheels and tires loaded up in the truck, so I'm gonna head over here to Tire and Wheel Professional so we can get everything swapped out. And then I'll be taking this wheel here over to Houston Wheel Repair so they can weld that crack.
24 hours later.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here at Rim Repair Houston, picking up those wheels. We're picking up the wheel for my Mercedes, the wheel I dropped off to have the crack repaired. These guys do some pretty good rim repair. I've worked with them a couple times on a few projects, and they've come through for me every time. Rim Repair Houston. A nice office in here. Miss Veronica, she's getting me squared away. She's gonna take care of me today with my my wheel repair. You see there's the wheel there. And I'll show you the backside where they repaired it. So if you remember, this wheel had a nasty little crack right there. And as you can see, they have repaired it. So looking forward to getting this back on the car. And getting the car back on the road, so. Yep, nice little before and after, okay. Wanted to just shoot a quick video, kind of show you guys around a little bit, kind of let you know what they do here at the shop. So from what I'm told, there's actually two businesses here. Houston, Rim Repair Houston, that is, they are one side of the business, but the other side of the business is Polo Performance Racing. So as you can see here, Polo Performance Racing. So they do have a dyno test machine here. They do engine builds. They do all kinds of high-end performance upgrades here. Yeah. Nice little rig set up right there. Polo Performance Racing. It's at least a 2-car enclosed hauler attached to a nice F450. Big boy. 450. Don't get it twisted. So get you guys a little bit of info. They do a little bit of everything here. Actually, they do rim repair. They also do powder coating as well. So if you have a set of wheels that you want customized, powder coating and whatnot, they do that. They also have a machine shop here, and they do a number of other things as well, kind of related to wheel and tire related things, and like I said, powder coating and machine work. As you can see, they got a nice shop here. It's nice and clean. So, but good setup here, good quality work. There's a nice Audi. They just did a color change on the wheels. I think the wheels were like a stainless color, and they changed the color to a black. I think it's sweet, man. Did a gloss black color change, powder coat, of course. This thing is sweet. This car's been wrapped too. Looks like it was originally red. I can kind of see some of the red poking out from under the hood, either red or orange. Yeah.
Yeah, they did a good job.
So what all did they do to it? I know they did a color change on your wheels.
Yeah, they just powder coated the wheels.
What color were they before?
They were silver.
Tell me about the car. What year is this?
2017.
2017. Okay, so I see it's a V10. What's the fastest you ever driven it?
I just got it a couple weeks ago.
Are you,
so
I really?
Yeah, I really haven't aired it out yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
A buddy of mine has a 458 Ferrari, and he told me he got that thing up to 178 miles an hour.
Wow.
And I was like, dude, there's no way in heck I'm gonna be driving anything that fast. But he said, believe it or not, the car is remarkably stable at that speed. He said 178 feels like you're going 60 in a normal car. You know what I mean? The car is stable, it hugs the ground, and he said it just wants to go more.
Yeah.
But I was like, man, that's crazy, man.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be going 178 anytime soon.
Did you buy it locally?
No, actually up in the Dallas area.
Dallas area?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that matte finish. Is that the original color?
No, actually I just had it wrapped. A guy named Jay over here, Jay the wrap specialist.
Okay.
Right here. He did a really great job on it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, man.
Thanks.
The color combination is perfect too.
Yeah. Yeah, I really needed the black wheels. Once I got it done, I wasn't sure if I was going to do the black. And
Right.
then once I got it done, I was like, yeah, I gotta change the wheel color.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gorgeous, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, and you're right. They did a really good job on the wheels.
They did.
Like I wouldn't have even known that wasn't like factory
Yeah,
because they look so good, you know.
yeah, absolutely. No, they did great.
Yeah, they got the finish perfect, man. Yeah. Man, well, you enjoy that, man. Thanks for talking to me about your car, man.
You bet, man.
Take care now.
You too.
Nice little Bentley here with the 22 setup. It's a flying Spur. These things are nice, man. It's an older model, man, but with a Bentley, man, it's like, who cares if it's an older model? It's still nice as hell. I think this is probably like a 2012, 2011 maybe. I think this is the owner's car, or one of the owner's cars. I don't know what this machine does, but it looks important. Yeah. We got some engine disassembly going on over here. Bunch of engines over there on the shelf. Two cars waiting to have the wheels refinished. Look at all that work, all those wheels. A lot of work here, that's for sure. Paint matching machine, paint color matching. And there's tire equipment. Yeah, so it looks like they got some powder coating equipment over here. We got a couple of racks where they hang up the wheels once they're dry. It looks like an oven back there. Paint booth looks like. Powder guy. Yeah. Clean little Fox body. Heard of it too. Sexy little thing. GT. I wonder what they're doing to that. They're doing a motor or something in it. Red and black, of course. You know I gotta check it out. GT. Ooh. I see an intercooler. So that tells me it's got a turbo in it. There's a little, what is that, Scion. Look at that. Doing some work on that. That looks pretty serious. I'm not much of an import guy, so I don't really know much about what I'm looking at, but I see a big ass turbo. And look at those coil packs. Yeah. Yeah, that's dope right there. I need to have that in my collection. A little red and black Fox body Mustang. I remember them brake drums was all rusted. I painted them black so they look a lot better. Yeah, I had to paint them. That rust was really bothering me. They look a lot better now. Yeah, look a lot better. Nice. Took a whole can of Rust-Oleum gloss black. They came out nice.